Good day everyone, my name is Rex Magdaluyo from Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering 1A. So, let's try the power rule. The formula of power rule is d over dx x raised to n equals to n x and n minus 1. Itatry natin siya. Ito ang ating problem. F of x is equals 5x raised to the power of 18. F prime x is equals 18 times 5. Okay, ito na lang, 18 times 5. Ito yung ating n. Ito yung ating n. 18 times 5 x 18 minus 1. 18 times 5 is equal to 90. Then bring down natin yung x. 18 minus 1 is 17. At ito na ang ating sagot.